Today I am here with Mike Brooks. Mike is the author of Power Phone Scripts, one of my favorite books on sales. Mike, welcome to the show.
Well, thank you for having me. It's good to talk to you.
Absolutely. So let me start with this. Power Phone Scripts is a book that I've sent to probably 100 to 150 different clients, prospective clients, friends. I'm a big fan of this book. Mike, if you want to take maybe 30, 60 seconds, give us an overview of what the book is about and why it'll have a good impact on a business.
Sure, yes, certainly. You know, I think what separates Power Phone Scripts from other books on sales, and especially other books on inside sales, is that I don't just tell you what you should say, and I tell you exactly what to say. So in other words, the situations that we run into over and over again, the objections, the blow-offs, the stalls, I'm not interested, just email me something, we've already got a vendor, we don't need that, those recurring selling situations you run into. The question is, what do you say? What do you say that's going to be current, that's going to be effective, that is going to help you bypass or get around that objection? So what Power Phone Scripts gives you are literally word-for-word scripting that you can adapt and adjust to your personality, but I'll tell you exactly what to say in those situations, and I'll give you multiple things to say. In fact, over 500 different scripts. So again, this is not a theoretical book on sales. This is a practical book that you can use immediately to get past gatekeepers, to earn the right to have conversations with decision makers, to find out who the decision makers are, and then to qualify prospects. So that's really what makes it, I think, different than most of the books on sales out there.